Hello everyone, today we're comparing two budget-friendly Kodak compact cameras, the tiny Pixpro C1 and the rugged Pixpro WPZ2. Both are easy to carry, but they're very different in who they are best for. Let's break it down. So Pixpro C1 is an ultra-compact digital camera built for simplicity and portability. It's tiny enough to slip in any pocket, ideal for casual snapshots or everyday moments with minimal fuss. Some of its strengths: it has great pocketable design and extremely easy to use for beginners. Simple point-and-shoot experience without complicated menus or settings. An affordable entry point into dedicated cameras rather than relying on smartphones. Some of its weaknesses: basic image quality, works best in good light and struggles in low light conditions. Limited zoom, no optical zoom to bring distant subjects closer, and no rugged features or performance boosts for adventurous use. It's best for everyday casual users, travelers who want a no-stress camera, or anyone wanting a small fun shooter without advanced settings. The Pixpro WPZ2 takes a very different approach. It's a rugged, waterproof, shockproof adventure camera made to go everywhere you do, including underwater or hikes or by the beach. Some of its key strengths: it has rugged, waterproof build, shoots underwater up to 15 meters, 49 feet, shockproof up to 2 meters, and dustproof with IP6X. Better overall specs with a 16 megapixel sensor and 4 times optical zoom, letting you capture more detail and lighter shots. 1080p Full HD video capture with multiple scene modes for action and landscapes. It has a built-in Wi-Fi that makes it easier to share photos and video quickly with your phone. Some of its weaknesses: small LCD and basic controls, not a rich photograph interface. Some owners report occasional reliability issues with flash and firmware glitches. It's not as compact as the C1, it's more rugged and larger. It's best for outdoor adventurers, travelers, and anyone who wants a camera that can survive the elements and still produce usable 16 megapixel photos and Full HD video. So which one is better? For everyday casual use, choose Pixpro C1 if you want a tiny, easy pocket camera for simple snapshots, quick selfies, and everyday situations. It's fun, light, and unobtrusive. Perfect if you don't want to fuss with settings or accessories. For adventure and outdoor shooting, choose the Pixpro WPZ2 if your priority is durability and versatility. Its waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof design makes it much more capable for action, travel, beach, or water shots, while also offering optical zoom and decent Full HD video, something the C1 can't match. The bottom line: C1 for compact casual snaps and the WPZ2 for rugged adventure ready imaging. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.